Expensify app. The pros, the cons. Expensify is an expense management app designed to simplify reporting, reimbursement, and travel expense tracking. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just a receipt scanner. Expensify provides end-to-end expense automation for teams of any size. On the pros side, Expensify offers automatic receipt scanning, expense categorization, and approval workflows. It integrates with accounting platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSite, ensuring seamless bookkeeping. Mobile apps allow employees to submit expenses on the go, and features like corporate card reconciliation and automatic expense reports save time and reduce errors. On the con side, some users report occasional glitches in receipt scanning or syncing with certain accounting systems. The free version is limited, and larger organizations may need the paid plans to access advanced workflow features. In conclusion, Expensify app is an excellent solution for companies looking to automate expense reporting and simplify employee reimbursements. Its combination of mobile functionality, integration capabilities, and streamlined workflows makes managing expenses fast, accurate, and hassle-free.